everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be checking about how we can start using VB.NET code in UiPath, which is also called as VBScript. So let's get started. Okay, so we have names Excel file and we will be writing few names in this Excel file using VB.NET code. Let's open this Excel file. Okay, so we have this Excel file which is fully empty, and we will start writing the names from A1 cell. Before moving towards integrating VBScript to UiPath, we will have to first develop the code in Excel itself. So let's start with that. So we will first have to save this Excel file as a macro based file. So let's move to that. So as you can see here, we have two Excel file. First is macro based file and second is normal Excel file. And here we can see we have opened macro based file. Before moving how we can integrate our VBScript to UiPath, we will first have to test our code in Excel itself with the help of developer tab. We will go with the Visual Basic option in developer tab. So let's click on that and we will insert a module here. Yeah, so this is the area where we will be developing our VBScript. Here we have to declare a sub procedure to start our code. So let's declare a sub procedure. So a sub procedure starts with sub and then with the procedure name and ends with end sub. So let's declare it. Yeah, we already have end sub, so the sub or a procedure is ended here. So for selecting a cell, we have a function called range. So we will write range here, and inside this range function we will have to specify the cell location. So for example, we are writing names from A1 cell. So we will write A1 in this range function as a string. So to enter a value to this cell, we have a function called value. So we will simply write a dot and then value function. We will assign a value to this cell. So this code will write Rani in A1 cell. If we want to write names in A2, A3, A4 cell as well, so we will write this code as is and we will change the cell location and names. So let's write the code for that. So Rani, Raja, Sonu, Monu, these four names will be printed to an Excel file starting from A1 to A4 cell. So let's run this and check the output. So let's move to the Excel file and check the output. So yeah, we have Rani, Raja, Sonu, Monu in this Excel file starting from A1 cell to A4 cell. So this is the code of VBScript, which is also associated with dotnet syntax as well. So that's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.